Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what I'm going to be talking about is a couple of things. First of all, the main point of the video is I'm going to be upgrading my phone holder, which is the one I'm using here, which I'll show you quickly, for this new one, which is sort of like a different kind of style. So we're going to be talking about that, and the second thing I want to be talking about is a question I've been wondering is, do I upgrade the Rebel or do I upgrade the Rebel? So I've been thinking, I went on a tour around Scotland on the Rebel and it was a good tour, but the bike kind of wasn't the greatest in a sense of the seat was a little bit hard, suspension was a bit hard, quite a lot of wind through from the front. But these are all things that are fixable in a sense. You know, I can upgrade the bike, I can put a new front screen on it, I can upgrade the seat, I can do these things. Or do I upgrade the bike for a different kind of bike, like a mini adventure bike, like the Transalp or a Tenere 700, or you know, an NT09 or something? I don't know. Leave in your comments what you think I should do. Do you think I should stick with the bike and upgrade the bike, or do you think I should trade it in and get something else? I was even looking at a 1998 Honda Goldwing. I mean, I know that's a complete different style of bike, but those reviews even now are getting like one of the best bikes. So it is. I'm going to go test ride one tomorrow. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I'm going to go over and test ride that at Super Bike Shop. So, but back to why we're here. We're talking about upgrading the bike, and we're going to be upgrading it from this. So I'll show you what I've currently got. So I've currently got this system here, where you've got these straps that you strap around the phone to hold it in. And then this one is one with just got a jaw lock. I mean, this one was only like 15, 20 quid off of Amazon, and this one was actually only about 18 pounds itself. Yeah, so as I said, put my spanner in my pocket, and we put it in here, and then we put these straps up and over the top, and then we put them under the bottom. It holds it in quite nicely. I've got a charge cable down here which plugs in nicely, but it is such a faff to have to open and close it that I was looking around, and then this one's got quite, I don't know, I wouldn't say it had quite good reviews. It does seem a lot more quick and easy to sort of fit, and it seems like it's going to be an easier installation of the phone. So let's give that a go. Put the phone on the seat, and then as we do this we can talk about the possible upgrades that we think we're going to do, and the positives are why I want to kind of keep the bike, and sort of why I'm thinking of changing it. So I'll 210 mils, which I've got to undo this for first, so I'll do that whilst I talk. Yeah, so I mean, as I say, the tour was really good. I did enjoy it, and I didn't really feel like there was, you know, many problems really with the bike. It toured amazingly. I had issues with, I didn't say I had issues, I had my panniers, which were great, but I put them over the seat. They were over seat panniers. So the other option as well is I'm going to need to upgrade to some luggage, which again, I wouldn't go for the genuine ones because they won't work with the exhaust. Plus, I'm not a big fan of the hard bags, but they do some other options of luggage and stuff like that. So probably be about 500 quid for the luggage. The bat wing at the front, which again I'd probably go with like the genuine. That I would go with the genuine one for. That's another 500 quid. I need another spanner. Gonna find a 10mm spanner when you need it. So yeah, so I would go with the genuine bat wing from it. So that's another 500 quid. So we're almost £1,000 now. But the screens have got really good reviews, and people do say that they really do work. So then the seat is hard. I mean, the diamond stitched seat is about 125 quid from them, but because I'm in the UK, I can't get Mustang seats, I can't get Corbin seats. They don't exist in the UK or Europe, so we can't really get them. There we go, that's off. But you can get it upgraded and personalised, more cushion, more padding. So that would be another option. It's another 200 quid, so it's 1,200 quid. You know, it's £1,200, which is still less than a new bike, isn't it, at the end of the day? I have done some mods which I like. I would like to get a new exhaust at some point. It does have cruise control, you know, and I love the way the bike looks. I love the way the bike rides. I love the power delivery on the bike. I love everything about that, so it's good. I did test ride the Transalp the other day, and I was underwhelmed by it, to be fair. That's the way I would put it. I was a bit underwhelmed. I mean, the practicality of it was great, the wind resistance was great, the power was good, but I just felt like I'd lost my soul a little bit by having it and riding it. I didn't feel, you know, an attachment with the bike. So yeah, I don't think it's, if I'd loved it, I would have bought it, but I didn't. But there is other bikes which I might have to try, but I don't know, I do love this bike. Anyway, let's quickly carry on with this. So here we go, this is called a Lamicall. This is the Lamicall. It was about 20 quid from Amazon, or 15 quid from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below so you can see that. How it works, it looks like there's a clamp. You've got like it's like a ratcheting mechanism. You push this button in the side, and then it opens up the jaws, and then we can clamp it on. Let's sit on it. The other one was here, but is that gonna work? Oh, here we go, it's already not gonna work, is it? May have to put it like right up here. Well, that could work. So I have it on the left then. It's not gonna be on the right anymore. We're gonna have it on the left. Push the button, we'll close it up. And then we screw it down. Yeah, screw it down nice and tight. Probably can't see anything there. There we go. So we're going to put it here, so we put it on there, screw it down nice and tight, like that. I mean, that's tight. And then we've got our phone here. It's not going to interfere with the bike or anything like that. It's quite a good position actually. Tighten it up underneath, like that. And how it works is it's got like a little clip at the back which you set it. I'll grab my phone. So I've got my phone as well. It's in its case, yeah. It's in its case, so it's quite fat, and it's a card case, yeah. So it's quite a big case, but it seems to fit in okay. You know, it snips in left and right from that, and then we lock it in place at the back, like that, and that's not coming out. So we should then have a good amount, and then obviously we can turn it sideways. Like that. Is that going to affect anything? Not really. Horn, lights, mode, indicators, and we can have that like that. So it's like an all-in-one display along the front there. So yeah, I like it. I like it. It does feel a lot stronger. If it was a bit more closer, I did prefer it a bit further away, but this is like real close to my face. But at least I can sort of have it turn it that way as well and use it with the sat nav, or you know, traffic lights, send a text message or something like that. But yeah, I like it. I like it. It's good. It's a good little upgrade there. But yeah, so let me know what you think. Shall I upgrade the bike? And if I do get the bits for the bike, then I will obviously be doing the videos on the installation of the bat wing. People say it's hard, but I am a mechanic, so hopefully I should find it a bit easier. Yeah, there's options we can do. Let's wait and see what we think. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. See you on the next one.